Sending money with the Natwest app is as easy as a few taps, so let's dive right in. First, open your Natwest mobile banking app. Enter your usual login details, whether that's your username and password or your fingerprint if you've set that up for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account overview. Look for the Pay and Transfer option. It's usually a prominent button at the bottom or on the main dashboard. Tap on Pay and Transfer, and then select the option to send money to someone else. This is how you'll initiate a payment to another person or business. Now, you can choose who you want to send money to if you've paid them before. They'll be in your saved payees list. If it's a new recipient, tap Add New Payee. When adding a new payee, you'll need their sort code and account number. You can also add a reference for your payment, like the purpose of the transfer or an invoice number. Once your recipient is selected, it's time to enter the amount you wish to send. Simply type the figure into the designated field. You can also choose the currency if you're making an international payment. For your security, Natwest will ask you to verify the transaction. This could be through your fingerprint, entering a memorable word, or a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Before you finalize, review all the details on the confirmation screen. Check the payee, the amount, and your reference to ensure everything is correct. Once you're happy, tap to confirm your money is now on its way. You'll receive a confirmation that your payment was successful, and you can often see the transaction reflected in your account balance immediately.